Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Excel for finance. We'll begin by exploring the fundamental layout of Excel, understanding its ribbons and cells. Mastering basic navigation is crucial for efficiency. You'll then learn core functions such as SUM, average, and count, which are indispensable for initial data aggregation. We'll also cover essential data entry and formatting techniques to ensure your financial reports are clear and professional from the start. Next, we'll dive into the heart of financial analysis with key functions. You'll master present value, future value, payment, and internal rate of return, vital for investment valuations and loan calculations. We'll also explore how to use conditional formatting to visually emphasize critical financial metrics, making your data instantly understandable. Furthermore, you'll learn to construct basic charts, transforming raw numbers into compelling visual stories of financial performance. Moving forward, we'll tackle more sophisticated data analysis and modeling. You'll discover the power of pivot tables to efficiently summarize vast financial datasets, revealing crucial insights. We'll then guide you through building simple financial models, essential for accurate forecasting and robust budgeting. Additionally, you'll learn to employ powerful tools like Goal Seek and Scenario Manager to perform insightful what-if analyses, preparing for various financial outcomes. Finally, let's enhance your Excel proficiency with advanced techniques and best practices. You'll learn invaluable keyboard shortcuts, dramatically increasing your speed and efficiency by up to 50%. We'll also cover data validation, a critical step to maintain accuracy and consistency across all your financial spreadsheets. Remember, consistent practice with real-world financial case studies is key to solidifying your skills and becoming an Excel finance expert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.